Portfolios. Why do we use them and why are they important for creative individuals like yourselves? Portfolios are a fantastic way of showcasing your abilities to potential clients and employers. Used correctly, portfolios can set you apart from other candidates and be a potentially deciding factor in whether you land that job or not. Having a portfolio will follow you throughout your career and will need to be updated to include your latest projects. At this point in time, you're still really early in your career, so it's completely fine if you don't have much to show off. Take this as an opportunity to get out there and get more creative. Just remember, portfolios don't have to just be your college and client work, they can also include your own personal projects too. If you feel like making something, whether it's a film or animation or anything else, then go ahead. Anything that shows off your skills in a professional manner is a great thing. Now, let's talk about the different types of portfolio you can make. The first and by far the most common is an online portfolio, such as a website. They're a great way of neatly organising your work using separate pages and are very accessible. Not to mention they allow you to add different types of media such as designs, video and animation. I'd recommend an online portfolio for anyone. Some great website builders include Wix and Squarespace, as they offer a whole range of customizable templates for you to choose from. If you create a lot of videos, then I'd recommend making a showreel. Cutting together some of your best work alongside an upbeat soundtrack can make a really good looking video. Just remember to keep it short. A good rule of thumb is making sure it doesn't exceed 90 seconds. Finally, you may decide to use a physical portfolio, a printed document that people use to showcase their photography or design work. Most clients would actually be pleasantly surprised if you handed them a physical portfolio, as it's not as common anymore. Here are some top tips for nailing your portfolios. So for a website, make sure you choose your best work. Make sure your website is up to date, so you're making sure everything is up there nice and easy. Keep the design simple and easy to navigate. Don't go too overboard with really flashy graphics. Now, for a showreel, make sure to pick an audio track that's upbeat and unobtrusive, so avoid using anything with lyrics in it if you can. Make sure you also cut to the beat. A showreel always looks better when you cut to the beat of the song. And feel free to dip into the real audio of the video if it's relevant. If you want to make a physical portfolio, make sure you print in the highest possible quality you can. And make sure to use a good quality folder or binder to store it all neatly in and make it look more presentable. So hopefully now you have a slightly better understanding of how to start building your own portfolios. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.